What's going on, everybody? This is Matt from the Hair Transplant channel here, and in this video I'm gonna talk about when you can expect a full result after a hair transplant. Is it gonna be 6, 7, 8 months? Will you have to wait 12 months to get a full result, right? So let's take a look at it. We will take a look right now at some of the hair transplant surgeons all over the world and what they are saying. I am checking out the website Real Self. You can check it out as well so you can see. Let's check out some surgeons. So the first one says month 12 is the standard month. Most doctors says that you will have a full result. For some patients it can take as long as 18 months, guys, right? Let's take a look at the another one. During the 6 and 12 month, right, you can expect the full result, right? This guy, this hair transplant surgeon says 6 to 12 months again, right? So this is probably a golden period again after 6 months, right? What about here? 8 to 12 months. Yeah, this is the time when you will see the full result, right? By month 12, 90% of the result is possible, right? So we can see some say, okay, maybe even 12 to 15 months, but the most of them say like between 6 to 12 months. Again here, 6 to 18 months even, right? What I can conclude from this, you can expect the full result between 6 and 12 months. Is it really like that? For most people, yes. For me, let's take a look, right? For some people who are watching my channel for the first time here, I just wanna show you how I used to look, how my hairline used to look. You see the big forehead. I got transplanted 3,700 grafts. My own curve that I created in the spreadsheet. Here you can see some percentages. This is those 12 months right here. Yeah, this is 1 to 12 months, right? You can see that in the first month you will have like usually 0% result. Second month again 0%, and I know some people can get already like 10-20% in the second month. Don't get me wrong, this is my own kind of hair growth curve, and that I wanted to share with you, right? So now the third month, this is where it starts happening, guys, right? So this is my first 10% that I got on my hair transplant. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about here. This is the third month update, and those are those 10% in my opinion. This is the growth. We are now here, April. This is the fourth month. This is much better. You can see another 20% growth. Let's check this. Another growth here, right? Especially the frontal hairline got really dense, but the areas behind the frontal hairline didn't really grow so fast at the first couple months. That's why I'm only saying 20%, even though it looks already quite dense. But you can see so many empty areas here at this spot. So I would say for the fourth month I would give total of 30 to even 35% of growth already by the fourth month, guys. This is pretty crazy, right? This starts happening pretty fast, right? So let's now come to May, to the fifth month, and we can see here is the growth like 35%. So this is something really big here. You can see the fifth month, yeah. We can see that it's obviously started to grow. Look at this, right? So this is a lot of new hair, especially in the front area, even though there are some more empty spaces. You can see that, right? So this is an equivalent of a 35% more growth, 65% of growth after the fifth month, right? So we still have 35% more to grow here, right? The fifth month was quite a peak in my case. I got 35 35% additional growth, and since then it started to decline. In the 6th month I got another 30% here. This is the 6th month, so a little bit less growth, but still a lot of additional growth, right? So even I got 65% result by the 5th month. I would say now we are at around 90% of total growth by the 6th month, right? The density is very good here. I was already satisfied by the 6th month, and that's what I was talking in every video actually. So you can see it here. By the 5th month we have 35% of more growth. By the 6th month we have another 30% more growth, and then if we go to 7th, 8th month, we will see additional growth will decline, will start declining rapidly, which means you won't, I wasn't getting so much additional growth anymore. The 6.5 month, I would say here 90 to 95% already. So on the curve we are somewhere here, and it's gonna start to decline, right? So let's check the 7th month where I got like no, let's do fast forward to the 8th month, and I would say it's quite similar, especially the density when it comes to grafts. Look at this. This is the 8 months, right? What are we looking at right now? This is the 8 months. This is the 6th month update, and this was the 6.5 month update. So when it comes to the frontal density, I got it quite early, I would say. The only thing that kept on improving was the hairs behind, somewhere around here, you know, there were not so many hairs, even though the main frontal hairline was already grown in pretty early, right? Pretty early on, right? So that's why I'm saying that after the 6th month I started to see declining additional growth on my transplanted area, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it doesn't mean that your hair won't grow fuller, won't grow thicker. Yeah, it will, but you won't get like new grafts coming out of your skin usually after like 8-9 months. This is the time when your transplanted hair gets stronger, gets thicker, and this will kind of get you the nice look, the good result that you like, or even it would start look more naturally, it would start grow more naturally in the angles that are natural to your head, and it will kind of naturally grow in line with the rest of your hair, and it will look very natural. It will start looking more natural after like 8, 9, 10 months, right? But when it comes to density, I would say the 6th month between the 8th month should be the kind of the peak phase, the peak stage when you won't get as many additional new grafts growing, right? It's highly improbable that you will get something like this, guys, right? I would say it's quite I mean, it's possible but not probable. I'm always saying everything is possible but not probable, right? So I wouldn't say, now I'm at 11th month, right? And I'm not really expecting that something like this could really happen, that I would get like some crazy growth again, because this is the hair growth. This is kind of like this reversed bell curve, right? And if I already know that I got through the peak, it's impossible that the growth will somehow start again after 12 months, just because some surgeons say 12 to 18 months. So you have to kind of observe it on yourself. Okay, where was the peak stage in my case? You know, was it between the 6th and 7th month or 8th month? And from that you can kind of assess, okay, do I have some more potential here, or do we have some more potential here or not? So just so you don't make some false hopes, guys, right? So this is just an educational video, just to kind of compare your growth, or what if you haven't been on hair transplant, just to kind of compare or assess what you can expect from it, right? And this is just kind of what I wanted to share with you guys. Again, let me know if you like this video, and subscribe, like, as always, subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for the ongoing support, guys. I hope again you like this video, and see you in the next one.